My name is Dilip and I am from Vibrant PU College, and this is my friend over here.
My name is Dhanush and I also study in Vibrant.
I'm Vedraj, I am from New Vibrant PU College.
And today we had a beautiful session of learning how to build a drone, how a drone works, and all about the normal aerodynamics behind that particular drone. First, we were assembled in our class and we were taught regarding the different types of drones based on the number of propellers and based on the weight that it can lift and the mechanism behind it. And then we were taught about the basic physics and maths behind the flying of a drone, about the airlift and all the science that is involved in the flying of this drone. And then all the electrical components that is a part of this drone was introduced to us, and how to build a drone theoretically was taught to us. And then finally it was time for practicals.
So we started with the arms, which is the red and the white part, and then we went on assembling the screws. We put this together. Then we did the soldering part on our own. That is the first time experience. The ones that help us fly are these propellers, and these are the arms that make up the main structure of the drone. And here we have the ESC.
What is happening here is the students have integrated a drone, so they have completely assembled the drone. So now the programming aspect of the drone is going on, where they are configuring various inputs for the flight computer. So once that is done, we take the drone to the ground and we'll have a test flight. ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡ, ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿ ಥ್ರಾಟಲ್ಲು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ.
This basically has a GPS, and we have a X7 flight controller, basically it's of cube, okay? And it has receivers, ESCs, and all the other electronics over here. So this is basically for a 2 kg payload drone, okay? So yeah, first time drone building alwa, adu hengittu, like new components, so you are working on new electronics. So how was the experience of that?
ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಆಚೆಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅಂಗಡಿನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹಾರಿಸೋದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವಾಗೆ ಕೈಯಾರೆ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು ಹಾರ್ತೋ ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವೇ ಕೈಯಾರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಬೇರೆನೇ ಥರ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂತು, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು.
ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ
ಹೊಸ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಾಗ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯಿತು.